All right, let's talk about normal distribution. Really, the only two things you need to know for normal distribution is how to use your calculator. First of all you have to do is second vars, or go to distribution, and you go to second vars, which is distribution, and then use normal CDF or normal PDF. Normal PDF gives you the value at a particular point, but usually you'll use normal CDF. If you go here, you write in the lower bound of a normal distribution, and then the upper bound that's of the normal distribution. Then you write the mean, which is at the bottom there. So let's just write 8. This is the mean, and this is the standard deviation. If you paste in the normal CDF, it gives you the value. Okay, let's talk about z-score. Z-score basically gives you how many standard deviations are you away from the mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. So let's take a look at this example. For example, let's say the mean of a class is 75% for their grade, and your student got, let's write mean, and SD is 8, and let's say you got 86. So you want to know what percent above the mean are you? Well, then you have to use the z-score. You don't have to. You could also just use normal CDF, but this is how you would do it using z-score. Z-score tells you how many standard deviations you are away from the mean. So this would be z equals x, which is 86, minus 75, over the standard deviation, which is 8. That would be 11 over 8, right? That is your z-score. You are 11 over 8 away from the mean. So what do you do with that data? Well, you are 11 over 8 standard deviations away from the mean. Then you just have to use normal CDF. However, use normal CDF, then this would be like negative infinity, and then 11 over 8. And then the mean would actually be 0, and the standard deviation will be 1, because the z-score is measured in where mean is 0, this SD is 1. That is its standard. It's basically standardizing your data so that it fits this z-score. That's really it.